Welcome back, Fel fans. Welcome back to Millenaire Explained. The last two episodes, we've talked about Norman armor, Norman tools, weapons, Norman blocks, and their tapestries, the like. Today, let's talk about their food. Cider apples are a rare treat that Normans can get from chopping down oak trees. But players can get their own apple tree sapling. Apple tree sapling. The thing is, though, you do not know how to plant this crop, you need to ask a village leader. Let's go ahead and find a village leader. None in here. A villageois, a villageois, a villageois, another villageois. Let's send him to bed. On to sleep, on to sleep, on to sleep. Haha! Have you seen this man? No. Possible housing. The village can teach you to plant apple tree saplings. Learn for 8 argent. You have been revealed the mysteries of the cultivation of apple trees. That's just what different villages will do to. That's what different cultures will do to make their culture specific crops be available to the player. The Norman culture specific crop is cider apples. Hmm. Oops. And we've got ourselves what appears to be an acacia tree with oak tree wood and leaves? Ooh, apple tree leaves. Do they flower? And oak wood. Well, I got another sapling. Oh, shoot, I'm in creative mode. Oops, something just fell. Another sapling. And what was that? Another sapling. Whoa! Whoa, that one's all flowery. Why is that one flowery? Aha! Here's how we get cider apples. Okay, so they must just grow and fall off of the leaves. Looks like they have stages, and the flowers are one of the stages. Okay, okay. But cider apples can be called into what Americans call hard cider, but what the Normans call just plain cider. Let's see. We're going to the tavern, which is very busy. Oh, what? Last time I was here, there was someone behind the bar. You're right here now? You're behind the bar. Kind of ruins the illusion. Look at that. See? There we go. Looks a lot better. Now, we can buy the cider here, which is made from the cider apples, for 1 argent. And we can buy calva here as well for 2 argent. Now, beverages in Millenaire are a little different than food. They heal your hearts with regeneration. We've got, what was that, 15 seconds of regeneration? But look at this, we still have the cider. It has a durability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A durability of 7. It also gives us a bit of nausea because it's alcohol, but yeah, it gives us a durability. It has a durability of 7. That means you can use it 7 times for a regen of 15 seconds. Pretty handy stuff. Now the calva, though, has a regen of 30 seconds. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Was that 17? Wait, did I add an extra one? Anyways, you guys can count for yourselves. 16 or 17 there. Durability. Pretty handy stuff. A lot of regen for 30 seconds right there. Now, if you go to the cow farm, you can buy something called tripes for 2 argents. Tripes? According to what I show here, tripes fills 4 shanks of hunger. And it has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 durability. And then for the last piece of food, we go to the pig farm. For some delicious sausages. Now they say they'll be right here, but where are they? Is that you? Selling to the player. It is you. Give me some sausages. Boudin noir. Boudin noir? As I've said many times, my French is terrible. Terrible. But I show here it fills 3 shanks of hunger. Let's let her go away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 durability. And that's all the food. That's all the food? Cider apple, cider, calva, sausages, and cow stomach. Tripes. That is all the Norman food. Thanks for watching, Fel fans. See you guys next time. What are we building here? What is this? It's got a dangerous and dark basement. It's got a fountain in the back. This is a nice looking place. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the color coding on the map also indicates whether a building is in construction or not. This must be the building that needed 2,000 stone blocks. A city estate. Ah, the Hotel Particular. Particular. My French is still terrible. But that is indeed the city estate. What else do you guys need? You guys are too busy on the city estate to need anything else. I can't jump out the windows anymore. Bye, Fel fans. Ooh. So the roof is a little curved, or the ceiling rather. Ooh.